The universe is saying, release your toxic attachment to someone or the spirit guide. Something that's draining your energy. Be more present with each moment in your life, and you will realize that the more present you are, the more you enjoy your own company. Make sure you are loving yourself and taking care of yourself. Let go what others feel or think about you and focus on your relationship with yourself. Self-approval is the foundation of self-love and antidote to shame, unworthiness, or sadness. Have hope and become more playful to enjoy your life. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.